Today we're removing the stereo from a 2016 Chevy Sonic LT. We also have our headphone and USB jack here in the upper glove compartment area. We're going to get this radio out and probably get some speaker removal guides as well, see our website for any updates and notes and so on. But we're going to start with grabbing the inside of the panel here on the left side, and this will come off releasing a couple of clips. We're going to repeat this for the right side, pull at the top and pry at the bottom, and this panel will come off. What this is doing is going to allow you a couple of pry marks here on the side, right there at the opening, and we're going to pry this front panel off the dash. This can be a little bit sticky. We're going to pull from the left, try and get a finger hold and pull while prying. These clips can be a little bit tough and difficult at times. It'll take a little work to get this panel loose here, but this panel is held on with clips, and these clips all release with pry pressure. There we go. Got it started on the right. I'm going to move over to the left side and get the pry opening there well. The panel will separate from the top here and pull away back from the dash, releasing clips. Again, all these clips release with pry pressure. There's several clips all across the back and guide pins. These are the clips in silver here along the edges of the panel, and the bottom has a couple of guide pins that will go in as well. But this is going to give access to four, looks like 8mm bolts that hold the car stereo into place. Actually 7mm. There are 4 screws securing this stereo to the dash. If you can't find what you're looking for here, see our website for removal, repair, installation, and do-it-yourself repairs for everything else. Remove the 2 screws on the left as well. We presently have no problems with this stereo, but we're just getting the stereo out to take a look to see if this is something we can take care of here in the future for you. Now we have the 4 screws removed. We're going to grasp the face of the radio and pull it from the dash. This is going to give access to several connectors here in the back, several antennas because we have XM and so on. Removing the main connector here, we're going to push down on the little arm. It will swing out away from the connector and push the connector out of the socket. Now, in order to put this connector back, you push it back into the socket. It will release several locks so that you can pull that arm down, and that arm will pull the connector into the back of the radio and lock into place and release it. We're going to turn the radio over for access to the pins on these antennas. I'm going to push that little trigger down on that and we'll release. We're going to do the same for the black as well. These connectors are all keyed, so they only go back to one specific spot. This one has a trigger on the top that we're going to squeeze down and should release. Now these connectors, like I said, are all keyed. The black one here, you'll see the pink piece on the top, and the little trigger is towards the back here, and with my thumbnail you can push this trigger down to release it. Same for the yellow connector. The trigger is here at the back of it as well. And then the last connector here has a trigger on the top that you squeeze this down and releases. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.